Hello and welcome back to yet another gas solve. Today, I am tackling Clover's Dutch Whispers puzzle. Um, today, oh yeah, I'm gonna get this done and then I'm gonna go get a haircut because girlfriend's just flown back in from Vietnam and I look scruffy as hell. Um, about today's puzzle, um, I'm probably gonna do a couple of live solves coming up for Clover puzzles or whoever I'm test solving for, because I know that I am the quickest of all of the gas solvers so far, um, and I want to show you because not every solve goes perfectly for me when testing, and this one I'll point out the giant bit of logic that I missed when I was test solving this in a second. But yeah, you know, I would like to indicate that I am not flawless and I am not how would you say it? Not flawless and not um you know, things take time for me too. Alright, so with that, let's get into today's puzzle. Alright. Sum 1, Dutch Whispers. Normal Sudoku rules apply. Along each line, adjacent digits must have a difference of at least 4. For instance, 1 and 7 can be adjacent along a line, but 1 and 4 cannot. Alright, I'm going to kick it off. Now, let's have a look up here. So this is 1 and 5 along this. The only two digits with difference there are 1 and 9. 9 cannot be next to 6, so this is 1, and this is 9. Only digit left that has a difference of 4 from 6 in this row is 2, and 3 must have a difference of 4 for 7. In this row, we need to place a 4 and an 8, so we're going to put an 8 there and a 4 there. And then I'm going to come down here and be a little difficult. No, I'm going to come down here. I like here. Cool. All right. 6, it needs to have a difference of 1 and 2. It needs to have 1 and 2 because they have a difference of 4. So this means that this is a 2 and this is a 1. Because I've already used 1 and 2, this must be 3. And now that I've used 1, 2, and 3, this must be 4. This cell sees 5 in the column, so I'm going to make that a 9, and this is a 5. Now, over here, we've got some more digits. So 4 has to have a difference of 8 and 9. Oh, actually, no, hang on. I'm going back up here. 3 needs to have a difference of 7, 8, and 9. This has to have a difference of 8 and 9. 8 here, so this is 9, and this is 8. Now that I've used 8 and 9, this has to be 7. This leaves 1, 2, and 6 to go here, because 6 is similar to German Whispers puzzles. You can sort of do a high, low, high thing. So I'm going to put 6 in the middle, because that's the one that needs to have a difference of 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 2 is seen in the column, so that becomes 2 and 1. Now, come back down here before I do the cool thing. So, oh yes, here we go. 4 has to have a difference of 8 and 9. This becomes 8. This is 9. 3 needs to have a difference of 7. And I can do the same trick here with the 1, 6, 2. But I flip it a little bit because I need to put a 1, a 5, and a 6 in. So this is a 1, which leaves me with 5 and 6. 6 has to go there. 5 has to go there. You could also look at it that 6 needs to have 6 would need to have a difference of 4 from whatever this digit is, so it can go there. Now we can use our little high, low, high, or low, high, low thing here. So in this one, we need to place 3, 7, and 8. Because 3 is the one that has a difference of 4, we can place a 3 there. Here, 4, 5, and 9 means we have to put a 9 in the middle, and this has to be a 4 and a 5. This has to be a 6, and we can place a 1 and a 2 there. Come down here, this is 7, because this needs to have a 2 and a 3. 1, 5, and 6 means we put a 1 here, and 5 and 6 here. 4 goes there, and then we place an 8 and a 9 there. Now, doesn't matter which place you look, all of the boxes have 1 digit here, which kind of falls it apart. So, and unwinds every single one of these pencil marks. So, just because I'm here, the question is, can this be 5 or 6? And the answer is, it can only ever be 5, because if it's 6, well, what digit is that then? Because 8 and 9 have a difference of 2 and 3. Well, that's a bit rough. So we'll put a 5 and a 6, meaning this has to be 9, this has to be 8, 2, 3, 1, 2, and yeah, this whole thing unwinds. Now, you can do triples for this whole thing. I'm gonna, because I know what it looks like and I have scanned this puzzle before, I'm gonna cheat and just band them all in now. For those of you playing along at home, yes, we could just cheat and write GSP, use GSP to put the 5 in the middle of the box, but let's not. Let's prove that we know what we're doing today. So, there are, what I missed when I was doing this puzzle is I was able to place this digit. And the question is, what is this digit? Well, this digit must be 6. And the question is, why must that be 6? Well, if this isn't 6, it means 6 has to be here. And then if 6 is there, then what does it go next to on the line? Because 3 and 9 both have a difference of 3. So this has to be 6. And similarly, we can pull that logic up here, making that a 4. Now, I spent forever trying to scan this and do mental calculations in my brain when I was solving this puzzle for the first time. And then I was like, oh, 5 and 8 both have a difference of less than 4. So that cost me about 2.5 minutes when I was test solving this for the first time. But what that does just mean is we can actually just write this whole thing in almost. Not quite. 9, 5, 1. This is 4. And then we just keep going. That's basically almost the end of this puzzle. Thank you for joining me. I have absolutely tried to slow it down today. And I hope you appreciate it. I hope you enjoyed the solve. I hope you have a fantastic weekend. I think that's still within the 2-hat time, even with me trying to slow it down. If you've got any questions, comments, feedback, feel free to leave a comment in the chat underneath. But other than, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Until next time, bye for now.